Travel World Online team had an interview with Mrs. Sarita Saha, founder of Eastern Globe. Here's what she said.
Hi, I'm Sarita Saha, and I am the founder of Eastern Globe. Eastern Globe is a travel management company based in Guwahati. And what does Eastern Globe does? We are mostly into taking the inbound clients to Northeast, and we try to educate most of the people about the Northeast, the new destinations, and the kind of infrastructures and everything. So yes, so Eastern Globe is into it.
For the capacity and what, how you're targeting market?
So there are different markets. So now, as you know, government is aggressively promoting Northeast. When we talk about states, so Assam governments, they are trying to improve all these infrastructures, all the hotel brands. You talk about Vivanta, you talk about Novotel, you talk about Radisson's, all these brands are there. So automatically these all hotel, when it all comes, so the inflow of how it was earlier and now, it is certainly a different. And secondly, uh, when we talk about the airports and all, so it has improved. The Adani has taken over, and it's a world class, I would say. So one must visit Northeast, experience Northeast, and then only they will say yes.
What's the connectivity?
Connectivity is, it can be connected from most of the metropolitan cities. It can be connected from Guwahati, from Kolkata, can be connected direct flight from Delhi, direct flight from Mumbai, and now the Shillong, it has started from Kolkata to Shillong. It's a direct flight. So if anybody is looking forward for only visiting Meghalaya, so that's again, they can arrive to Shillong.
And being approached to your property.
See,
Location.
in Kaziranga, Vani Greens is the kind of property where if someone is looking for a luxury along with experience. So once you enter the property, it is not only the stay you get, it is also the experience, like since it is right there inside the tea estate, so you can explore the tea estates, you can have a tea tasting there. Then we give local snacks, and then tea, and then you can have a boat ride, and you can do cycling, you can do hiking. So many activities are offered. So it is not about, so since Vani Greens, a kind of, after lots of research, this property has come up. So I urge all my, all the people to come and visit Vani Greens. Yeah.
You are watching Travel World Online.